familiar with applying style to classes and ID. So we are going to apply style into a group of HTML element, and the usual way of doing this is split them up inside the division tag. So division tag is a short form of div, and so basically it is used to divide web page into different section or segment. So let's suppose I want these two tags to be separated, or I want to divide these two tags into one section, so I can divide them using the div tag. So let's put this two inside the div tag. Let's save it and refresh it. So you will see that this division tag does not do anything. It does not apply any classes or include some styling on its own. So what we can do is we can apply some classes or IDs to this division tag. So let's provide a ID, and let's name our ID as first section. So you will see that I have used this dash symbol instead of space button. It's not recommended to use space in our ID or classes. Now in the style tag, let's define the design for the first section ID. So since it's a ID, so we will start by putting a hash symbol before the name of the ID, and let's write the name of ID, then some curly braces. Now inside the, let's suppose I want to change the color of the text to pink. So let's change the color as pink. Let's just save it and refresh it. So those two elements that were present inside the division, their color, their text color has been changed to pink. Now what you can do is you can also change the background color of this division. So do that with the help of this background color property. So let's change the color as yellow. Let's just save it and refresh it. So you will see that this division get a background color. So this is a box with basically divide our web pages into different section, and that we basically do with the help of division tags. Now this box is going all the way to the web page. So what we can do is we can reduce the width of this division tag using the fit property. So let's set the width as 50%. Let's save it and refresh it. Okay, so now it's not going all the way to the page. The width has been reduced by 50%. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Now a quick challenge for you. So you can just put this two paragraph inside a div tag and change the background color as green. So just pause the video and go for it. Well, I hope you managed that. So we just have to put the div tag and place these two paragraph inside the div tag, and on the second div let's provide its an ID as second section, and in the style tag we have to define the design for the second ID as well as. So now we just need to put a background color property, and I will set the background color as green. Let's just save it and refresh it. Okay, so we have this nice green background across the division 0. We can use div to apply style to the content of the div, but also the div itself, like we have applied to the background color. So we are still fairly long way from beautiful website, but we are coming on quickly in our ability to apply a range of style to different objects using classes and ID. So in the next video we will be studying about different properties and specific style that we can apply using CSS. So we'll start by color properties. So we will see you in the next one. Good day.